try to save the Fresno Bluffs and San Joaquin River bottom from the land developer's poem. If you can't get it through the eye of a needle, don't put it there. And if you do, you'll be a lot deeper in the almighty wrath sooner than you suckers think. Amos. Quote from Amos. Oops. Are we going to have a seance now? Okay. Man's integrity, intelligence, and performance are based in the wilderness of unwavering natural form. Black Elk. This is Chuck's poem. When I was a kid, I went out to Scout Island because I wanted to find out, and now I don't want to be guided into difficulties by lawyers of land developers. I want to be guided by reliable blue herons standing in the spirit of the San Joaquin River bluffs. I want to be guided along the bluffs by doves that coo. I want to be able to get off a bike and sit down somewhere, leaving the highway bridge behind like a graveyard, and watch bunting and little green towhees zip freely back and forth across the river from tree to tree. Reed to reed, like skillful reconciliations. It occurs to me that the land developers are not as shrewd as the hawk in the sycamore. It occurs to me that the freshwater clams, paying attention to business at the bottom of the river, have a better sense of preservation and groping than that which has emerged, wishing to tear the place apart and litter. It comes to me that it took this river 2 million years to carve this composition that molds and remolds the lives of hundreds of species of animals. And if I had $1 for every year an animal that lives here, I could call the bank and bulldozer and cut into its brow and make 2 or 3 million more, putting in tract houses egotistically spaced apart. It occurs to me that a timid, greedy child grown old could pick up a rock and throw his conscience into the river. And the kit fox, if the kit fox had hands, he could go through the night and strangle the land developers as they sleep in their beds. Violent act committed by a kit fox in good taste. That was January 1979.
and rickets. I am the exhaled idiocy and blindness of a vast pile of corpses. I am capital management. The gods lounge and look down, gray, half asleep. I am rudder of the ponderous. I am ruby, gold, lapis. I am heart, lungs, and nightmare. I am a fast ship full of Argonauts, bearded, smiling, sails blast and shake, rainbows bend. I am the first union boss to step out on sawdust. My love was taken by weavers, and I was hung upon earth's door. One wing became the sky. I am the pimp in the pawn shop on the corner of Goldilocks and Get Lost. Glittering trumpets, a big bass, a cumulonimbus topped with Zildjian cymbals, snares. I am a regular fulcrum of embroideries, stepping among iris on the Champs-Élysées or in the Louvre. A wheel turns within me, bright with the strength of metals. I am a big warm marigold with bad breath. I am an old man. I am a beautiful boy. I am him. I am him, and I have stood upon this bridge and spoken even to your ghost.
Oh.